If you are running the Google AdWords or using the generative AI to craft the ad creatives, Google just dropped an update that you cannot ignore. Google is officially rolling out the AI content labels in the Asset Studio across its main advertising platform. Whether you are using AI to generate the brand new ad images, animate product photos, or tweak the video creatives, there is now a native way, and in some regions a strict legal requirement to disclose that your content was created or edited using AI. Hi everyone, welcome back to our Softtrix YouTube channel, your hub for everything SEO, PPC and data marketing. Today we are breaking down what this update means, where it's appearing, and how you should adjust your PPC workflow to stay compliant. What's new with the Google AI label? Google has added a dedicated setting within the Asset Studio that lets the advertisers flag whether image or the video assets were generated or modified with AI. PPC specialists like Hannah Kobzova have already spotted this live in accounts. Look out for a new AI label column in your asset library and reporting tabs. When enabled, two things can happen. One is global disclosure. A user clicking the three-dot menu on your ad in search, YouTube or discovery can select how this ad was made to see the AI disclosures. Second, visible overlays. In regions with strict AI disclosure laws like the European Union, India and New York, Google will apply visible disclosure overlays directly onto the ad creative. So now note for the marketers, Google clarified that adding your own text or visual AI labels onto the creatives won't violate the policies against watermarks or the text overlays. Where is it rolling out and how it works? And this update is rolling out gradually across the Google's entire ad stack: Google Ads, Display and the Video 360, Campaign Manager 360, Merchant Center, Google AdWords Editor. And here is a big detail: if you generate the assets directly using the Google's built-in AI tools, Google may automatically apply these labels for you using invisible metadata like synth ID and the C2PA standards. In those automated cases, labels cannot be manually overwritten. How to set it up in your account? Check existing asset, go to Tools, Asset Studio, Asset Library, add the column, add the AI label column to your reporting table to filter the assets, toggle the status, click on an asset, select Manage AI label and choose either the label this asset as a created or edited with AI or don't label this asset. New campaign prompts. When setting up the new campaign, Google will now pop up an in-product prompt asking you to review and designate your unassigned AI asset. Why this matters for PPC and the important one. First, compliance. Governments around the globe are tightening the rules on the synthetic media. Built-in native labeling saves you from having to manually redesign the assets for every target market. Important disclaimer: Google explicitly warns that using the AI label setting does not guarantee full legal compliance. Always consult your legal team and regarding the regional ad compliance rules. Second, if you manually add the custom text labels on your images, avoid putting them in the outer 5.5% margin or extreme corners, as ad rendering and the auto cropping might cut them off. So now in terms of the call to action, so are you planning to label your AI assets or are you sticking strictly to the traditional design workflows for now? Let us know in the comments below. If you need help navigating the Google Ads, scale your campaigns or staying ahead of the compliance updates, get in touch with your team at Softtrix. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update in the digital marketing world. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.